Are you drowning in a sea of notes, projects, and even tasks? Are you wondering what could your solution possibly be? Today we're going to have a look at Taskade. We're going to have a look at Notion. These two apps are fantastic note-taking apps that can really help you organize yourself. So let's check them out. So let's jump into Taskade first of all. So Taskade actually has an AI integration which helps you automate workflows. You can generate content, you can summarize information, and this all frees up your time for more important tasks. The Taskade AI feature can also generate mind maps, flowcharts, and outlines based on your provided text. Taskade shines with its real-time collaboration features, allowing teams to work together seamlessly on the same page. Multiple users can actually edit, comment, and contribute simultaneously, fostering a dynamic and engaging work environment. It also offers a wide range of customizable templates for various project types, from meeting agendas to product roadmaps. You can quickly adapt these templates to your specific needs, saving you valuable time and effort. Taskade also supports multiple project views, including the list view, board view, and calendar view, catering to different work styles. You can switch between views with a single click. It's that easy. It also allows you to visualize your projects in a way that makes the most sense to you. It's also got an integration of video conferencing, which allows you to communicate face-to-face with your team members directly within the platform without having any third-party integrations. This eliminates the need for a separate video conferencing tool, and this can streamline your communications process. It also automates repetitive tasks, and this is Taskade's workflow automation features. You can create custom rules to trigger actions based on specific events, and you can save time and reduce the risk of human error. One or two of the drawbacks of Taskade, though, is its limited offline access. So Taskade's functionality is slightly limited when it is offline, which can be slightly a bit of a drawback for anybody that needs to work on the go without that internet stable connection. You'll also need internet connection to access your workspaces and collaborate with your teams. Taskade also has quite an extensive group of features, so it can be slightly overwhelming for new users, requiring a little bit more of a learning curve to master all of its functionalities. So let's jump straight into Notion now. So Notion actually combines note-taking, project management, and database functionalities into one single versatile workspace. You can create custom dashboards, wikis, and document repositories, making it a central hub for all of your information. Notion's powerful database feature also allows you to organize and structure information in various ways, such as tables, calendars, and galleries. You can create custom properties, filters, and you can sort your data and link databases together to create complex relationships. Notion is also known for its extremely customizable platform, which allows you to tailor the platform to your exact needs and preferences. You can create custom templates, you can design your own layouts, and you can even embed external content. Notion integrates with a huge range of third-party apps and services, allowing you to connect your favorite tools and streamline your workflow. You can integrate with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Trello. Notion boasts a large library of user-created templates and a vibrant online community offering inspiration and support. You can find all of these templates in the platform for absolutely everything you need, from personal budgeting to project management. Notion is also great for creating and managing knowledge base. So this basically allows your teams and yourself to document your processes. You can share information and you can onboard new members. You can create wikis, FAQs, and documentation repositories too. One or two of Notion's drawbacks is that it can be quite overwhelming. I have used Notion for some time now, and just trying to get my head around all of its functionalities and all of the complex ways that you can actually use Notion to the absolute best of its ability. And trust me, it's got tons of features. It really is overwhelming. So that's a bit of a drawback for me, because I do like simple things. I like simple processes, things that are going to make my life easy. So if you are looking for project management software, then one of these two are probably going to be a good choice. The key takeaway here is to make sure that you are trying both of them out and seeing which one actually works in a real life scenario. If you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time.